This happens. Fun. Except not at all.
Boy.
Oh, and dishwasher detergent is the...
That there must be no violence, no law breaking, no vandalism of any kind. This is not what I stand for. This is not what America stands for. Of course it was Trump supporters. And I'm like, what? And she goes, yeah, they're pissed. And they have every right to be. And I'm
bass. Since the diaphragms and loudspeakers do move in and out, they're not just pushing the air in front of them, they're also pushing the air behind them. In a typical speaker cabinet, this air is...
Or at least distributing who is taking the damage, because these things can and did kill us multiple times. Then there was this whole first arc of the game where
He's about to call the authorities. What? Turns out that the Damon needed it for his wife's ear cancer treatment.
Videos. Is it possible that the good-hearted police were guarding the water truck, trying to save your business from the flooding? I mean, the water truck...
Manual recording will now start.
Oh no, it's gonna flood, we gotta save this guy.
Leader, Chris Chapman. I wonder if that show would get demonetized too. But I think the real success of this strategic framework on the Indo-Pacific is not the...
They should have.
It was a trying time. And they did it, and they successfully were able to fight it back. And it's only going to get worse from here as we're seeing...
ammo easily, which really puts you at a disadvantage. You can try to rescue the Marines, they won't help you. But honestly, if you are determined that Halo 2 lassos for you, we might recommend you start on these vague-looking things that you couldn't really differentiate what it was from a different helmet as easily as other Halo games. Sure, there were some helmets...
Oh, shit.
Manual recording will now start.
Holy shit. Oh, shit.
Happened time and time throughout history. Nonetheless, they have no idea what fashion is.